All this vegetable will provide sweetness to the soup. Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook a very simple dinner, vegetable soup. This is suitable for those who are on vegetarian diet and those who want to have a very healthy diet, because this dish will totally have no oil, no meat, purely vegetable. I have 1 liter of vegetable broth or vegetable stock. You can look out on how to make this vegetable broth from my other videos. I will share the link down below this video as well. About 1 cup of cut carrot, 3/4 cup of white radish, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 200 grams of choy sum, and 100 grams of Chinese cabbage. This is how it looks like. For Chinese cabbage, I have already pre-cut it and washed it as well. And I'll be using 1 tomato. This is going to be very quick and simple. We're going to start off with put all the soup in the pot and switch on the heat. Cover the lid and bring it to boil. While waiting for the soup to boil, I'm going to cut the tomato. So I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces, bite size. All these vegetable I have already washed it, so we don't need to wash it again. So I cut the tomato into 6 pieces. So we're going to put it back in the bowl first. And for the choy sum, I'm going to cut it into half. So I will cut half the stem and the leaf. So we're going to put the stem one side and the leaf one side. For the stem, I'm going to put it together with the carrot and the white radish. Now the soup is boiling. I'm going to put in the ingredients. Put in all the salt and the pepper. Put in the carrot, white radish, and the choy sum stem. We're going to boil this vegetable for about 2 minutes just to get it slightly softer. Alright, after 1 minute, I'm going to put in the Chinese cabbage. I have separate the leaf part and also the stem. So I'm going to put this in because this will take slightly longer time to cook. And put in the tomato. This clear soup vegetable is really sweet and very delicious, and it's super healthy. Gonna continue to cook for another 1 minute. Alright, all the vegetable that we put in is slightly soft. Now I can give it a taste. Wow, the soup is very sweet and it's enough salt and enough sweetness. So at this stage, if you want to add your own seasoning, whatever seasoning that you have, you can add on. But for this soup, it's pure vegetarian soup, so I'm not adding any sauce or anything, and it's perfect as it is. So I'm going to put in the balance of the vegetable. Okay. For this vegetable, they don't take long time to cook, so just put it in and give it a stir. And then now we can switch off the heat. That's all. Very simple, delicious vegetable soup. This is best served once it's cooked. Let's try. So I'm gonna take a bit of all this vegetable will provide sweetness to the soup. And some of this. Wow, delicious. It's very clean taste. Indeed, the soup is very, very sweet with natural sweetness from the vegetable stock and all the vegetable that we put in, and the vegetable is still crunchy. This is really suitable for those who are concerned on the healthy diet. It's lovely. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my variety cooking like this. Thank you and bye bye.